Do you know how Thanksgiving Day came to be? In 1621, the Plymouth colonists and the Native American Wampanoag people came together for an autumn harvest feast, marking one of the first Thanksgiving celebrations in the colonies. Hello, content creators. I'm Ruby, your AI presenter from Wondershare Virbo. Have you ever been curious about the secrets behind this video? Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step journey of making it with Virbo. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open up Wondershare Virbo. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from our official website. Virbo is now available on the web, Windows, iOS, and Android. You'll find the download link in the description below. Step 2. Choose your AI avatar. Once you've opened Virbo, explore a wide range of lifelike AI avatars. Choose the one that suits your style. When you click on your selected avatar, you'll be prompted to choose between a horizontal or vertical video format, depending on your intended platform. Let's go with the landscape format. Step 3. Generate script with AI. Click the AI script button below. Enter your video topic, and our AI writer will take care of the rest. For example, if I type the origins of Thanksgiving Day, you can choose the Smart Optimization option from the right panel. If you're unsure about the script, click Expand, then Shorten, and finally, Apply. Step 4. Generate AI voice from text. Virbo provides multiple voice options. You can select your preferred language by clicking the flag icon and choose the language and voice's gender. Once you're satisfied, click OK. Step 5. Export the video. When you're happy with your creation, click the Export button. Get ready to impress your audience with an AI-generated video introducing Thanksgiving Day. Bonus tips. Tip 1. Enrich the video scenes. To make your video more engaging, click the plus button to add additional scenes to your storyboard. You can choose from default or preset templates. You can also enrich your video by adjusting the scale of the presenter or the style to a circular view. Tip 2. Change the backgrounds. There are 2 ways to change backgrounds. Click the second icon in the top panel, or click Switch in the upper right corner. Explore our preset backgrounds or upload your own images. Tip 3. Upload your own media. If you want to include Thanksgiving-related videos or images, click the last icon in the top panel. Then you can edit your imported media from the right panel with options like cropping, background removal, set as background, adding mask effects, or animation. Tip 4. Add background music. You can also enhance the video experience by adding background music or uploading your own audio. Explore the music section and choose the track that suits your video. That's it. We've shown you how to AI generate videos for Thanksgiving Day. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep experimenting with Virbo and refining your content. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't hesitate to drop any questions or comments you have below. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.